Welcome guys to another episode. So today we're talking about rat rods. We got the cab of the 47. We put on the body of the 49 on the cab. And we brought it outside. We brought the S10 frame inside. Just to give you guys a quick look. That's the frame. We'll be cutting all the brackets and tabs and everything that's in the way. That's the cabin that's going to go on it. That's the 4.8. We're using a 4.8 and a TH350 transmission. So it should be a perfect match since it's going to be pretty much a lightweight truck. Tonight's plan, we'll start it off tonight because I kind of said, well, I got called a liar by Mark, which is kind of true. I didn't send the files. I should have. And because Mark, I do all my videos and I send them to Mark, and Mark does the editing and he posts them online because I have a few issues with internet and all that stuff where I'm at. So Mark takes care of that for me for now until we get going a little bit more. And I should show you guys. I don't know if I should. You guys should let me know if you want to see the videos or not. So for that, you'll have to go see the last episode. I'll show you guys the 49 we put together roughly, and Mark posted it for sale and he already sold it. So tonight we're going to put it on the trailer and deliver it to the client. We'll go outside. It's pretty dark, but I started the tractor. I hooked up on the trailer. You guys don't see too good, I guess. You don't even see me. So I hooked up on the trailer. And this is the truck we sold. So we're gonna go deliver that tonight. 49. Sitting on a 47 chassis. And it runs and everything. Goes ahead and back. But the body was only put together pretty quickly. So, guys. So that's what we'll be doing tonight. We'll be putting that. I'll stay here till you guys can see me. We'll put that on the trailer, go deliver that, and then once we show up back at the shop, we'll probably throw the box and the fenders inside the shop, let that melt, and we should be able to give it a good day's work on Saturday, which is not tomorrow, the day after. Okay guys, got the tractor going. We're pushing that truck on the trailer, so I'll just give you guys a look. I pushed that on the trailer with the tractor, which is like the best tool ever. We'll finish loading up and put some chains. Got a few parts I gotta go get, and then we'll take off and go bring that to the guy. It's Saturday, we're back in the shop. Delivery went good. We worked on the truck this morning a little bit. We cleaned up the frame. We did some degreaser. It was full of coating, so we took all that coating off. The frame is really clean, so we got a good deal on that, thanks to Mark. And we put that's a cab. We put the motor and transmission together. We used a 6.0 flywheel that already has a spacer in it, so that's TH350. And then so the plan for today is we'll knock all the brackets off of the frame, clean that up, and I'll do the initial cut. We got to remove 8 or 10 inches. I'm not sure. I got to double check before I actually do the cutting. I'll just let you guys know where we're at, and we'll be doing some more work today. We'll cut the frame, and then we'll kind of just drop the motor in there, see what we have to do, if we have to trim the cross member or the oil pan, or if everything clears. And we might even put the body on it just to see how it looks, how high it sits. So we might have to cut the complete floor and drop. That's the initial plan, is to cut the complete floor out of it and then sit the truck the height I want. But I don't really want to do that until I get the wheels and tires. The wheels I should be getting next week. They are in, it just I haven't went and picked them up yet. yeah, so we'll put the wheels and tires next week sometime. And then we should be able to fit the fenders and stuff just to see the ride height and the way it sits. So we're back from lunch. We did a bit of work, as in the time lapse you just seen. I had some helpers. My dad and Alain, who owns the truck, was here. So we put the body on it while I had a hand to bring the stuff inside the shop. We brought the box and the fenders inside, and we just set them on. We re-measured the centers, the wheelbase. And we came out with, we need to remove 9 inches. So we just kind of put the box about where we wanted it. We put 9 inches plus the 1 inch gap we would put. And everything lines up good. Right now the fender's got to go down, the front's got to go down, but we did some trimming. And there's still more trimming to do. So we'll get at that maybe a bit later, maybe after supper. I'm not sure. This episode's not over for sure, so I'll keep at it, and we'll finish the fenders so they sit the way they should be, and then we'll take the body off of it again. We took the body off of the frame, and we're getting ready to cut the frame. So we got to remove 9 inches. So we have the frame cut, and what we did, we took a reference point from here to here. So that was 24 inches. We'll take 9 inches out, and I took a spot where I didn't like the holes, and we don't need that cross member. It'll be in the way of the drive shaft. So we'll do some cleanup here and a little bevel, but that together we'll double check our reference points, and then hopefully we'll do some welding. while we were at it, we cleaned the inside of the frame. We did a bevel all the way around, and here I'll do some buffing. I just did some grinding quickly, take the most of the material off, and then I'll take a buffing pad like this to make it smooth. So guys, we have everything lined up. We measured, everything is good. I started welding on this side, and we're doing that side right now. So I'll set you guys over here and we'll do a little bit of welding. So guys, we're done welding. We'll start the buffing here pretty soon. Buff that nice and smooth, and then we'll go and add some fish plates in here just for reinforcements. So I started with the grinding on the welds, and I took all the wheels off of the frame. We put them on jack stands, so it was a lot easier and wasn't as much on the ground. And I kind of got carried away. I grinded all the grinding, or all the stuff that needed to be grinded. Like we had a bracket here, we had some tubings here. This is where we welded. And we had some more stuff, cab mounts that we took off. We did the same thing on both sides. We didn't get to the fish plates, but that'll be, I'll do that one evening. Probably won't be on video, but I will show you once they're done. Thank God for mass for today. Anyways, guys, take a look. All the dirt that's in there. And take a look on the ground. That's all grinding I've done tonight. It's full of dust everywhere. It's a mess. The shop's a mess. So before I leave, I always like to stay in the shop for a bit before I leave, because I did so much grinding and welding and stuff. Pass the broom, pick up my tools. Most likely I'll put the frame back on the stands, and I'll be ready for another day. And we should be getting the wheels this week or in the next couple days. So I'll get the tires mounted, and the next video, well, you guys will have an idea of what we're going to put on for wheels. And till next video, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't, subscribe, like, share, comment. We always like your input, so keep watching, guys. Thanks.